This is gonna be the heaviest DIY weighted shift knob ever. Look how easy this is. One finger.
Wow.
For $5. $5 fucking dollars. You got yourself a nice mint fucking shift knob.
So earlier today at the flea market, I picked up this bad boy right here. It's only $5. And you can get these at your local Walmart for around, I believe it's like $6 and change. But we're going to see what we can do with this today. And we're going to make a DIY weighted shift knob. Okay, so what we're planning to do with this is grind down all of this. Drill into it, Frank, right? Do some actual threadings.
Oh no, are you guys kidding me?
I got that on a video.
Look at those fucking things, bro.
Dude, there's still some pull stick remnants on it. Rethread that bitch, son. Alright, put on the shit, son.
Alright. Look at that.
Oh no, we hit Joe.
Oh, fuck, dude. Oh, what the fuck?
And you got a nice little finger rest, too.
Oh, but you know what we're gonna do? Right there, you see that? We should put the shift pattern there. Grind it down and
stamp it in?
Yeah.
That'd be sick.
He goes, oh, it's just a joke.
Does it feel nice?
Sick.
Does
Yeah,
it actually
it does, bro. This thing feels really nice. Not gonna lie, it feels really nice.
That was a good idea.
Dude, that thing, it fits perfectly in my hand. You got some little bitch hands, so I might feel a little different, but...
Oh, little bitch hands, okay. You know what they say about big hands?
Big feet?
No, big gloves.
Which way are we going?
Just go straight. Right.
Wow. I like it.
You like
A
it?
lot.
Oh, you hear the
You
pop?
hear that little back bar?
You know why it does that?
Because the new shifter?
No, because the exhaust leak's so big after the fucking test pipe. So it popped. It's not popping from the tailpipe. It's popping from the
like right under my...
Yeah, it's popping from right underneath the car, bro. So we got Joe driving it now.
Fucking okay.
Oh, I smell straight tire. But anyway, this thing's fucking holding up, man. Dude, for $5, $5 fucking dollars, you got yourself a nice mint fucking shift knob, if I do say so myself. Want to show you this. It's not really involving a shift knob, but I got myself a new hood. We're gonna be rocking this for a little bit. Maybe make a few videos with it. People's reactions. Look at this. Functional hood scoop. Not rice. Before filming today's video, I figured to not use the shift knob, the weighted shift knob that we made last night. I figured to have film Joe and Frank's reaction to it after they made it. Give them some creds, but we're on our way now to one of my friends' house. I figured you guys seen this kid before, and we're gonna go roll up to his place. Let me call him real quick. Hello? Yeah, I'm like 5 minutes down the road. Alright. Okay, no problem. Alright, I'll just knock on the door when I get there. Alright, see you, bro. Pulling up to Ricky's house right now. Oh, he's got a lot of guests over. God damn. It's a fucking family reunion over here, son.
What's up, man?
What's up, bro?
Not much.
Just chilling?
Chilling it.
Having yourself a diet, what is it, Dr. Pepper?
Oh, always. Come on.
Oh.
What's it be?
Yo, bruh, you got a lot of fucking guests out today, bro.
Yeah, bro.
What is it? Like your family reunion or something? Or
They just fucking showed up.
they just show up?
Yep.
Shit.
It's whack.
You gotta see my car, bro. I did a little bit of things. Last time you haven't seen it in a while, bro. What do you think?
Well, that shit's functional?
Yeah, this shit's functional.
That's fucking nick.
Shortly approaching Mexico right now. We're passing the border, as you can tell. Right here's the border.
Oh, it's fucked.
This is the new shift knob.
The fuck is that?
You know when like people have the big ass trucks and some of them have the ball hitches in the back for towing?
Yeah.
Well, that was what this was.
Wow.
Feel how heavy it is.
It's not that bad.
What do you mean it's not that bad?
Nah, it's not that bad.
Look at that. It's 2,000 pounds, bro.
How much?
2,000 pounds. You see that?
You right, bro.
It's 2,000 pounds.
We're just really fucking strong.
This is gonna be the heaviest DIY weighted shift knob ever. Out with the old and in with the new.
Fuck. Ow.
Oh.
Fucking throw it at me.
This shit can knock someone out.
Oh, easy, bro. 2,000 pounds straight to the fucking head.
Look how easy that is. Put it in third.
Third. Gotcha. But
Look how easy this is. One finger.
wow.
Joe and Frank drove it last night, but I still have yet to drive it. And we gotta do the neutral check, of course! The neutral check. So, let me tell you, that's a solid A+ right there.
I still like the Paramore.
First gear. That went in way too easy.
That's what she said. Got him.
Alright, second. this is way too heavy, bro. This is way too heavy.
Bro. Oh my god.
We're in Mexico.
Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy hell.
We're in Mexico. Third. Dude.
Yeah, we just spun the car.
No, yeah, that was straight like fucking oversteer. You kidding me? That was body
Straight in the
roll.
rain.
Body roll and everything in Mexico. Alright, well, so far, I really like this shifter. It's so smooth. Like, it makes my transmission feel like it has only like 30K on it.
Definitely has 30K.
Oh shit, we're crossing the border.
Oh, fuck. You got your passport? No, never mind. You don't need it. It's just that
You
easy.
don't need a passport.
It's just that easy.
It's just that easy nowadays.
Wow.
This thing has been through 2 countries, this shift knob. 2 countries.
Fuck.
Honestly, like, driving this around, like I've been beating on it like Joe and Frank, this thing literally works flawlessly. If you have a tap and die set, a ball hitch laying around, or you go to Walmart, or you go to a flea market, buy it off some dude for like $5, you got yourself a nice shift knob. You can't beat it because it's a DIY weighted shift knob, and look at all the street cred you got. Look at this.
You got a 2,000 pound shift knob.
That's like more than the Miata. That's why this thing's so lowered.
Yeah, the shift knob's really laying it down.
Yeah, we're not the fat asses here. It's the
Exactly.
shift knob.
What the fuck is this thing?
I don't know what the hell is coming head on.
Oh god, it's good. God!
Oh shit. Professional tree service.
They almost hit us.
We ain't no tree, goddamn.
Fucked.